Have you experienced an issue with the blower motor speed selection on a 1987 to 2011 Ford Ranger or 1995 to 2005 Explorer? The most likely problem is the blower motor resistor has failed and will require replacement. Another common problem is the blower motor resistor pigtail connected to the blower motor resistor may have a short, causing the socket connection to melt. The 1712270 is a replacement blower motor resistor pigtail that can be used to replace the burnt socket. Using the information below, you can cut out the old blower motor resistor pigtail and crimp this in its place. 1711725 is a blower motor resistor that directly fits the front blower resistor in both manual and automatic air conditioning systems. For more tech tips, visit gpdtechtips.com.